Turbinair non-bleeder guns represent the latest technology in turbine-powered HVLP spray guns and are now being marketed as Turbinair's B&B spray guns. B&B designates bleeder, non-bleeder in that the gun can actually be used in either configuration. Guns are supplied as a non-bleeder from the factory and can be easily converted to a bleeder by removing the B&B disc from the air shutoff mechanism inside the gun. To protect the motor, Turbinair turbines are equipped with a built-in relief valve at the air outlet to relieve any back pressure on the turbine motor when the gun shuts off. The gun itself operates very much like a conventional spray gun. The air cap rotates on the air distributor and is held on the gun by the sleeve nut. Conventional rules apply when it comes to the direction of the spray pattern. With the air cap in the vertical position, the gun sprays a horizontal pattern. With the air cap in the horizontal position, the gun sprays a vertical pattern. To spray a round pattern, simply reduce the fan size until it gets to its finest point. The material flow screw adjusts the stroke of the trigger and in turn the amount of material being released from the cup. The fluid passages, as well as the needle and fluid tip, are all stainless steel and the size is stamped on each of the parts. Fan size is easily controlled by the adjustment screw at the top of the gun. Turn the screw inward and the fan size gets smaller. Turn it outward and the fan size gets larger. The air pressure feed tube that pressurizes the cup is equipped with a check valve. The check valve allows air to get into the cup, but prevents material from ever backing up into the gun body. There are 4 standard models in the Turbinair product line: 1135 GT, 1235 GT, 1245 GT, and 1537 GT. The capacity of the turbine is determined by the number of stages in the motor and the diameter of the fan blades. Turbinair offers a complete line of 3-stage and 4-stage systems. The 1135 GT and 1235 GT are powered by a 3-stage, 5-inch diameter turbine motor. The 1245 GT is powered by a 4-stage, 5-inch diameter motor, and the 1537 GT is powered by a 3-stage, 7-inch diameter motor. 3-stage systems deliver up to 6 psi of air pressure, and the 4-stage system delivers up to 8 psi. Systems with a 5-inch diameter motor deliver up to 110 CFM, and the 7-inch diameter motor delivers up to 130 CFM. The 1135 GT is the only single-speed turbine in the Turbinair product line. As a result, the Quick Connect coupler is equipped with a shutoff valve to adjust the airflow to the gun. All other models are equipped with a built-in electronic speed controller that allows you to control the air output of the turbine based on the material being sprayed. Reduce the air output to eliminate unnecessary overspray when spraying light-bodied materials such as stain, shellac, or lacquer, and increase the air output of the turbine for extra power when spraying heavy-bodied materials such as latex paint. Turbinair systems include the turbine, a 25-foot hose with a Quick Connect coupler, the B&B spray gun, as well as extra filters for the turbine, extra gaskets and seals for the gun, and a viscosity cup. When selecting your sprayer, consider how much you intend to spray and the material you expect to spray the most. All 4 models will spray anything from stain and lacquer to paint, although the extra pressure from the 1245 GT will perform better with heavier materials, and if you spray more than 4 to 6 hours a day or need to power 2 guns simultaneously, the 1537 GT is your best choice. Once you've chosen the right model for your application, you may want to consider some of the optional accessories available. B&B guns are supplied with a 1.5mm atomizing kit as standard. While this is an all-purpose size, using the appropriate needle and tip based on the viscosity of the material being sprayed will improve results. If you mostly spray light-body materials, you should consider the smaller sizes available, and if you mostly spray heavy-body materials, you should consider the larger sizes. The fine finishing and painting kits include the 2 appropriate sizes for each type of application. The 5-foot flexible hose provides additional gun mobility and makes getting into cabinets a breeze. Simply install it between the gun and the standard 25-foot hose and you're ready to go. The 5-foot heavy-duty hose is ideal for summer projects in hot climates. Because the turbine draws ambient air, the atomizing air can heat up in these circumstances to the detriment of the finish. Install this synthetic coated hose at the turbine outlet to help dissipate the heat and lower the temperature of the atomizing air. The touch-up cup kit is ideal for small projects and frequent color changes. It's very easy to install and is supplied with 2 additional 8-ounce bottles and 3 lids. A quick modification to the B&B gun will get you through jobs that require spraying with the gun inverted, or use a remote pot as you would for larger jobs, and you'll have better gun mobility without the weight of the cup on the end of your arm. A remote pot also makes it easier to spray inside cabinets, and setup is very simple. Connect the fluid line from the remote pot to the gun. Then, using a small compressor, pressurize the pot until you get a 1 to 4 inch stream of material coming out of the fluid tip when squeezing the gun trigger. Once you've determined the pressure required in the pot, lock the regulator, connect the air hose from the turbine, and begin spraying. And cleanup is even easier. Simply empty and clean the remote cup, fill the clean cup with cleaning solution, pressurize the cup, and flush the fluid line until it flows clean. It's that simple. Turbinair offers a complete line of remote pots from 2 quarts to 20 gallons. You can either pour material in the pot or simply place a can or pail directly in it. Sizes from 2.5 to 20 gallons are also available with either a manual or air agitator, and an optional stainless steel upgrade is recommended for use with water-based material. The 2-quart cup is supplied with a 5-foot fluid line. Otherwise, all fluid lines are sold separately from pressure pots. If you don't already have a compressor to pressurize a remote pot, Turbinair also offers compressors and cart-mounted systems to expand on your Turbinair system. Whether you're spraying stain, shellac, lacquer, or paint, whether you're a hobbyist, a woodworker, a cabinet shop, or a contractor, a Turbinair HVLP sprayer is the right choice for you.